Hello students, hope you are doing good in this pandemic period. So this is J. Krishnam Raju, Assistant Professor and Course Coordinator, Department of Management Studies, Adikavi Nana University, Tadepalli Gudem campus. In the earlier sessions, we have discussed about investment, meaning and different types of investment alternatives available in Indian market. So today we are going to discuss about the difference between investment versus speculation. Basically, the investment refers to the sacrifice of funds in order to reap the returns in the future, whereas the speculation refers to the it is a course of action to gain in a situation where the price of a particular asset is going to change over a period of time. Generally, investment refers for the long term base, whereas speculation refers to the short term purpose. So in the previous session also we have discussed about the characteristics of investment, that is time, return, safety, liquidity and marketability. So based on those characteristics, generally any investment alternatives classified, whether it is investment alternatives or whether it is marketable instruments or non-marketable instruments. Generally, investment you can go for marketable instruments, and in the non-marketable instruments also, while the speculation it is only for marketable instruments only, because the speculation, the basic motto behind the speculation is to grab the differences between the price changes, whereas in non-marketable instruments there is no particular place or there is no particular market to deal with the non-marketable instruments. So for that purpose the speculation is only for marketable instruments. It is clear. Now on the basis of several characteristics, here there are some of the differences between investment and speculation. The first one is time horizon, that is whereas investment alternatives is go for minimum 1 year time duration. Generally any investment alternatives, like you can go for bank deposits or post office deposits, or whereas if any person invests in equity market and he buys the shares and holds for a long run purpose in the sense that is a minimum of 1 year time duration, then it refers to the investment, while whereas speculation generally it refers to the short term purpose, that is holding assets from 1 day to up to an year. That is you can buy the shares early in the morning today, and you can sell the shares, that is in the weekend, that is in the Friday, in Thursday, that is within 1 year of the time duration. It refers to the speculation. That is, it's very clear that a time horizon is very long for the investment, whereas for the speculation the time duration is very less. Generally, one more point is here, the person, if he acts or if he doing investment or he is doing investment for a long term purpose, he is known as investor, whereas if a person or his course of action is for speculation, which means that he is going to gain the profits from the price fluctuations from day 1 to up to 1 year, then he is referred as a speculator. And one more classification is there, that is, if any person or if any investor is going to get either it is a return or loss, that is a payoff, generally refers to the payoff within a short duration, it is referred as gambler. Like if you take any casino royal games, that is instant result it will come, so those persons is referred as gamblers. Now coming to the risk aspect, that is risk is limited in case of investment, because if you are doing investment over a period of time, that is a minimum of 1 year duration, that is over corrections and or any modifications or any manipulations of a particular share is going to be saturated, and your risk is going to be limited in the case of investment, or sometimes or some cases the risk is very low, whereas for the speculation, that is the risk is very high, because the investors in the morning he is going to purchase the shares, and at the end of the day he is going to either sell or buy the share irrespective of the price of the share. So in some cases he may gain, or in some cases he may lose. Generally majority of the investors or majority of the loss makers in the stock markets is speculators, that is those persons wants to make profits within a short term duration. So for that the risk is very high in speculation. Coming to the source of income, that is whereas the investment, the source of income is earnings of the enterprises, whereas for the speculation the income is a change in the market price, or the due course or the gap between the market price of an asset is the income source, whereas for the investment case the earnings of a particular share is the earnings of the enterprises is the result or sources of income for the investment case. Next, coming to the income aspects, the income aspects for the investment purpose, the income is very stable or very negligible negligible errors in case of investment aspects, whereas in speculations the results will be uncertain. It means that either we will gain huge loss, or either we will make huge profits, that is we cannot predict in the speculation, that is the income we cannot predict, whereas in general cases where there is a risk there is a return. So if at all if a person is willing to take the risk, there may be huge chances of making profits, and as well as the same vice versa, there is a huge losses in case if the price of the share is not predictable. Next, that is the use of funds. How investor, that is the investor is going to utilize his own funds, so that though if he is making loss he can withstand or he can able to bear the loss, whereas while in case of speculation the person is going to invest own funds and as well as borrowed funds. So that is the case, if that speculator is going to incur loss, obviously it leads to bankruptcy of the situation. So for that purpose there is a huge gap or huge differences in the making of money in the case of investment and in the case of speculation, whereas the type of contract is in case of investment he is known as creditor, while in the case of speculation he refers to the ownership. Coming to the psychological aspects of the participants in the sense, whereas for the investment purpose the person is going to invest in long run base. Generally he will make all the necessary analysis and necessary study and research to invest in a particular stock, whereas in the speculation case the speculator is not going to make any analysis. In general sense, he is not going to make any general analysis or anything. He moves on the aggressive, that is, if market is going uptrend direction, he will also goes to the uptrend direction. Generally it indicates that he moves according with the market. So his nature of behavior is very much aggressive. Moreover, apart from this points, so one more point is the investment aspects. It uses fundamental analysis, where the investor is going to use EIC analysis, that is economic analysis, industry analysis and company analysis, whereas in case of speculation, the speculator is going to use technical analysis with the help of charts, with the help of bar diagrams and with the help of Japanese candlesticks and with the help of charts and figures. He is going to predict the market, whereas in investment the fundamental analysis will give the true intrinsic value of the stock, that is the true worth of the stock is going to analyze with the help of fundamental analysis. The investor is going to use the fundamental analysis while making investment, whereas the speculator is going to use technical analysis and he is going to find three possible events, that is, one is buy, hold and sell, that is when to buy, how much period to hold and when to sell. So these three kinds of possibilities is going to find with the help of technical analysis, technical analysis, and the speculator is going to use these technical analysis for making money. Moreover, in a grasp of the topic, the investment is for long run base, whereas the speculation is for short run purpose. Investment is like cooked own food, cooked or homemade food. Definitely it will digest into your stomach and it will give strength, whereas the speculation is like a fast food. Instantly you can have the food, it may digest or may not digest. So before going to invest or speculate on a particular asset, so my sincere advice is clearly analyze with the help of either fundamental analysis or technical analysis to make money. Thank you. Thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.